In this video lesson, we would learn how to find out perimeter and area. Let's first understand what is perimeter and area. Let's say this is a skating rink. If we are asked to skate around this rink, just go around the rink all the way around. That means we are asked to skate on the perimeter of the rink. And if we are skating in this portion of the rink, this means skating on the area of the rink. So when we move around the shape, that is called the perimeter, and when we go all over the shape inside it is called the area of the shape. There are two ways to find area and perimeter. One is when we are given unit squares, and second is when we are given dimensions. Now what do you mean by unit squares? So let's say we are given this shape and this is divided into unit squares. If we want to find out the area of this shape, all we have to do is just find how many squares are inside this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we have altogether 24 squares. So we write on 24 square units is our area. If we want to find out the perimeter, for finding perimeter, we have to go around this shape and see how many squares do we cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So perimeter is 20 units. Remember, for area we put square units, but for perimeter we just put units. For finding the area or perimeter, when the dimensions are given, let's say we're given a question in the form of a square. Square is when all four sides are equal. So if this side is 5, this side would be 5. Let's keep the unit as centimeters. Make sure whenever you're finding the area of perimeter, the units given should be exactly same. So if this is centimeter, this has to be centimeters. If let's say one is millimeter and one is centimeter, then you have to convert the centimeter to millimeter or millimeter to centimeter to make them same first. And that we have covered in the previous lesson. So area of a square is side multiplied by side. That would be equal to, my side is 5 multiplied by another side is 5. So that's equal to 25, and this is centimeter square. This is how we put in the answer. If we have to find the perimeter of the square, then perimeter means walking around the four sides. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So if I go this way, I cover 5 this way, another 5 this way, another 5 this way, another 5. So all I'm doing is just covering up my 5 centimeter stretch 4 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is equal to 20 centimeter. Make sure you have to remember that the unit of perimeter is exactly same as the side unit, whereas the unit of area is the same as the side unit with a square on top of it. A square is just the small number 2 as a power on centimeter. Now let's say if we are given a rectangle, so this is a rectangle where opposite sides are equal, and we're given the dimensions of the rectangle. Let's say this is 13 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. Now we are asked to find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length times width, or it is also called base times height. So this is the base and this is the height. Base is given to you as 13 times height is given to you as 5, and that gives you 65 centimeter square. Let's say if we want to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, again we have to walk around the shape. So 1, then 2, side 3, side 4. So side 1 is 13 plus side 2 is 5 plus side 3 is 13 plus side 4 is 5 again. 13 plus 5 is 18 plus 18 is 36 centimeter. And this is how we find the area and perimeter of a square and a rectangle when the dimensions are given.